Jungkook asked Jarkin and he said, "What are you doing here, Vian?" Vian didn't respond. Her eyes were looking at the body. Jungkook, Vian. Vian looked at him and went out of there. She saw him killing someone was making her scared to death. Jungkook became angry in her presence and threw the gun. He turned towards the guard and said, "Finish them all. No one should escape. They have seen my wife now. I don't want any of them alive." Guard. But boss, what about? Jungkook shot him a glare and he nodded and Jungkook went after Vian. Mrs. John and Sophia were all ready to see the drama. They were waiting for them. Soon their wait was over when they saw Vian coming inside with fast steps. She didn't stop and dashed inside the room. Soon they saw Jungkook coming inside with fast steps. He stopped in front of them and said, "Where is Vian?" Mrs. John gulped with his deep voice and pointed at the room. Jungkook didn't spare them another glass and went inside the room. "Sophia, her game is over." Coming inside the room, Wang closed the door. A flash of him pressing the trigger and that blood oozing from that body head was making her tremble. Never in her life thought that she will witness something like that. Why would anyone like to see someone getting in front of their eyes? Opening the door of the room, both looked at each other. Wang became scared by looking at his red, scary eyes. He was fuming in anger. Jungkook didn't thought anything else and came towards her. "Jungkook, what? What were you doing in the basement? Didn't I warn you before not to come?" Fine looked at him confused but was still scared. She remembered how his mother told her that he was asking for her. "Jungkook, answer me. Never ever stay silent when I am asking something." Vine flinched with his loud voice, but then she said, making him confused, when I came because you called me." "Jungkook, are you even listening to yourself? Why would I call you when I was the one who warned you not to come?" Vine looked at him confused. "Vine, but Mrs. Jones said that you asked for me in basement." Jungkook frowned and said, "What? But I didn't said anything like that." They were confused that why would she say something like that when Jungkook didn't even ask for her. He himself said to her that not to come inside the basement. "Jungkook, I will talk to her why she said this to you." Why noted she herself was confused. Jungkook told her he will talk after reception. Soon both Jungkook and Wang forgot everything and started getting ready for the reception party. Today was the reception party. Jungkook got ready and went outside the room and waited for Wang to come. Sitting on the couch, he was desperately waiting for Ryan to come downstairs so that they can leave. Mr. and Mrs. John had already left and they both were here. Jungkook never knew that how it feels when man says it's hard for you to wait for your woman, especially when she is getting ready. Jungkook rolled his eyes. He was done waiting for his wife. He stood up and was about to go towards the room, but his eyes caught the pleasurable view of his wife. He looked at her and gulped. She was wearing black shimmery gown, perfectly fitted in her body curves. Her hairs were open, long, straight black jet in color. Her final touch was in nude lip makeup and 7-inch heels. Jungkook looked at her up and down, controlling his hormones. How badly he wanted to pin her to the wall and devour every single inch of her body. Vine took a step towards him and said, "I'm sorry for making you late." Jungkook, while waiting, was worthy. He whispered, which Vine didn't hear. Jungkook poked his cheek with his tongue and motioned her to follow him. Vine wanted him to praise her, which he didn't. Having no choice, they both went outside the house, inside the car, and left for their party venue. Hand in hand, they both came inside the venue. Jungkook softly held her waist and pulled her a little closer and whispered, "Stay by my side." Vine nodded and plastered a small smile on her face. Mrs. John and Sophia glared at her because their plan didn't work. Sophia. Jungkook didn't say anything to her. "Mrs. John, don't worry, I have another plan." They didn't knew that Jungkook already knew because Vine had told him everything, but now they were planning something else. Mrs. John had planned something for her. Mrs. Jones, Sophia and her mother came to Jungkook and Vine. They introduced her to Vine, but she said, Sophia's mother, "Don't you think you are looking so simple, Vine? I mean, today is your reception," she said, making Sophia and Mrs. Jones smirk. Vine, "No, I think I am looking gorgeous, and I always get ready to impress myself, not to others, and in my eyes, I am slaying today." Jungkook smirked proudly by listening to Vine. He took her away, but the old ladies glared at her in anger. Vine looked at Jungkook and said, "Am I looking so simple?" Jungkook frowned and said, "You don't care what others say. Now why are you asking me this?" Vine, "Because I don't care about others, but I do care about your opinion." Jungkook smiled at her, knowing that she cared for his view. Jungkook cupped her side cheek and she became shy. "Jungkook, are you feeling comfortable in your outfit?" Vine nodded her head. "Jungkook, then you are looking breathtaking. Just do what you think is right and don't care about others." Vine smiled slightly. Jungkook was introducing Vine to some of his clients. Vine was greeting them, but then out of nowhere, a guy who was charming came towards Vine and Jungkook. They both looked at that person. "Hey, Vine, how are you?" Vine looked at him and frowned because she don't know who it was. "Vine, sorry, but do I know you?" "Don't tell me you don't remember, Vine. We both were so close to each other in college." Vine frowned and Jungkook looked at Vine with cold expression. "Vine, I don't know you, sorry." "Jack." "I'm Jack, girl. Come on, don't joke around. Remember, we used to hang out all day and night." Vine looked at Jungkook all shocked. She was telling him through her eyes that she don't know him. "Jack, I know you are angry in me and that I left you and went to New York. I'm sorry, but I'm back now." "Vine, sorry, but I don't know you." Jack didn't say anything and left from there, shrugging his shoulders. Vine looked at Jungkook and said, "I don't know what he was talking about and how he knew my name, but I haven't met him before." Vine tried to say something, but before that, one of his friends came and they got busy in talking. Vine looked at that Jake and found him talking on phone. After a few minutes, when Vine saw Jungkook talking to his friend, she went inside the hall and grabbed a cocktail for herself. She was busy looking here and there when Jack approached her. She again became confused, but then he said, "I'm sorry, actually, I thought that you were my college friend." "Jack, she was just like you, and her name was also Vine." "Vine, well, I think you should have confirmed it before stepping in front of a girl, and more specifically in front of her husband, as say that we used to hang out all day and night." Vine sounded sternly in front of him. "Jack, I'm sorry." Vine was talking to Jack, more specifically scolding him or mocking him, but she didn't know that evil eyes were on her all the time. On the other hand, Jungkook was talking to his friend when Sophia approached him, gaining his attention. "Jungkook, who is that guy whom Vine is talking?" Sophia pointed at the hall and Jungkook looked at the direction and saw Vine with that guy Jake. He frowned and looked at her for a minute. Sophia smirked and said, "They seem pretty close, aren't they?" Jungkook looked at Sophia more prominently. It was a glare. Her smirk vanished. "Jungkook must be a friend. Why are you putting your eyes on my wife? Don't you have something else to do?" Jungkook said coldly and deeply. Sophia gulped and said, I just saw her with someone, so that why before she could complete, Jungkook said, so in whole hall, when there are hundred of people, you only looked at my wife. Jungkook said, making her scared. She excused herself and went from there. Jungkook looked at Vine's direction and found her talking to some of his female colleagues. He calmed down and smiled slightly, admiring her how beautiful she was looking. The way she was playing with her hairs were making him go crazy. His anger was now vanished completely. He again went to his friend. On the other hand, Jack took out his phone and dialed a number. How was it? Did it work? Mrs. John, it yes it does. Jungkook saw you with her. Now you know what you have to do. Jack smirked and looked at Vine with bad eyes. It was all Mrs. John planned to make misunderstanding between Jungkook and Vine. And it didn't end here. There was something more. Vine was talking to the girls when suddenly a waiter poured drink on her dress, and Vine asked for the cleaning place. Waiter told her that there is a guest room here. Vine nodded and looked at Jungkook, who was talking standing far, so Vine went to guest room. Vine was walking through the hall when she felt that someone was following her. She turned around, but there was no one. She shrugged her thoughts and went inside the guest room. Coming out of the washroom, Vine was shocked when she saw Jack inside the room. Jack was looking at her with a slight smirk, and Vine knew that his intention was not good. She decided to confront him, but not here. She knew she was alone, and no one was here in the corridor, and room was far from the inside hall. Vine went towards the door and tried to open it, but Jack was fast enough to close it. He blocked her way with his hand and said, what's so hurry, Vine? Let's talk for a while. Vine glared at him and said, what the are you doing here, Jack? Isn't it obvious I came for you? Fine, I don't have time for your useless. Vine tried to open the door, but Jack pulled her hand, and in a second, Vine jerked his hand and slapped him hard on his face. He was shocked but became angry and pushed her back. Jack, how dare you, Vine? How dare you to stop me? Jack took big steps towards her in anger, and she took step back because deep down she was scared. No one was there. Jack pulled her hand and dropped her on bed. Vine became shocked and looked at him, who was coming towards her. She tried to stand up, but he pushed her. On the other hand, Mrs. John came towards Jungkook and tried to play her part. Jungkook was already looking for Vine. Mrs. John, Jungkook, I heard that Vine went to the guest room. Jungkook, but why? What happened? Is she feeling alright, Mrs. John? I don't know, maybe something came up. Jungkook went towards the guest room. Sophia approached Mrs. John and said, I hope this time your plan will work. I can't see that Vine more with Jungkook. Mrs. John, don't worry, this will be our day. After this, Jungkook won't leave Vine and will throw her out of the house. They both smirked and went towards the guest room. Vine was struggling hard to remove Jack from her, but that beast was holding her hand. Jack, such a fierce girl you are, no doubt why you are Mafia's wife. Vine was trying hard to save her. Vine, help. She tried to shout, but he put his hand on her mouth. Jack, no one is here, and no one will come here soon. He was done saying that and tried to kiss her forcefully, but Vine slapped her again. He didn't stop and tried to kiss her again, but before that room door got open and Jungkook came inside. Jungkook looked at Jack, who was in on his wife. Vine and Jack also looked at Jungkook. Jack hurriedly stood up from the bed and smiled slightly. Jungkook was looking at Vine. Jack, I told you, Vine, that we shouldn't do that. Look, Jungkook, we can explain. Vine, what? You were forcing me. Jack denied what Vine was saying, and he was still on his point that Vine was trying to make out with him. Jungkook was only looking at Vine. His eyes were red and veins were clearly visible on his neck. His eyes were not leaving her. Vine was debating with Jack, trying to tell the truth to Jungkook. Mrs. John and Sophia were outside enjoying the drama. Vine finally looked at Jungkook and found him looking at her. Vine, Jungkook, he is lying. Trust me, please. I didn't came here for him. Vine was trying to explain. She was almost choking on her tears. Vine tried a lot, but then Jungkook said, "How can you do this?" Subscribe to my YouTube channel for the next part.